the first snow of this season. Not this much, but now I need to winterize my UTV. The UTV works perfectly, and the plow, just this wobbly action is actually good for copying the surface of the earth, so it just works. Even the Chinese winch is even working. And of course the Volkswagen diesel is running perfect, no issues there. And now is the right time to clean your gutters, because there will be no more leaves coming from the trees. And I hope it's not that difficult to do with a simple ladder if you have a one-story house. It's totally clean. I like that these are coming out as nice chunks. I got some snow in it, but otherwise totally clean. They're doing the gardening around the garage, so, and those are the plumbing guys. The toilets flooding, as you can see, they are taking care of that. I wanted to see if the flame works. Okay, it's more fun than it should be. Okay, if you heat it too much, the inner PVC pipe will also shrink, but it will just make it stronger, I believe, if it has this. I'm not sure. Cheap pipe caps for construction, for temporarily closing the vents, or the sewer pipes, maybe. But the cap is not that expensive, but the bottles are only 10 cents a piece.